This little thing is surprisingly strong. I'm about 5 feet away from my curtain, and it's moving on with ease. We have this electric air duster with a new upgraded design, including a jet dryer, blower, and vacuum cleaner all in one device. Let's see what's included, starting with the instruction manual, vacuum cleaner attachment, extension rod and brush, charger, and of course, the jet blower. Again, here's a close-up of these items here. I want to show some of the features here, starting with the blower, which also has a detachable head. Just twist and it comes off. And to put it back, all you have to do is line up the arrows and twist it back on. Then there's the power button, and on the back is the vacuum portion. Right under that is the adjustable speed that can go from 10 to 100. This jet features an 8,000 milliamp per hour battery, which can be recharged by using a sport. It is also wireless and portable. Look at the size comparison to my hand. Don't forget about the vacuum attachment and extension rod, which can be attached to the back right here. Just line it up and twist. There you have it, and it's still compact when fully assembled. Let's test out the blower on these leaves. This pushes out some high pressure with a 130,000 RPM brushless motor, moving these leaves with ease. This thing really is powerful. Look how easy it just pushes these leaves. For the car, you can use the blower to loosen dirt before you vacuum, even blow out dust from your vents and all the corners and cracks. The vacuum is strong and can clean all kinds of places, like this seat. Small crease next to the door. And of course you can vacuum without the extension rod. It works just good. Look at that seat. So clean. Now, how about the floor? Oh yeah, that looks good too. I also like to vacuum my laptop before I use the blower, cleaning all the keys and all around. There's so many places to use this, and it's such a multi-use tool. Now, let's compare it to another wireless vacuum. Ah, it's too big, and it won't fit. Can't even suck anything up, even with that little bit of distance. Now with the jet blower and the extension rod, it fits right in there perfectly. Not missing anything. Let's see how clean it got. Oh yeah, look at that. Nothing. Comparing the size, this brushless motor vacuum is much smaller and stronger. It's also great at cleaning the couch, getting into those hard to reach places, corners, cracks, all those little tight holes. Look at all that dirt we sucked up in that canister there. For the size of this thing, I'm really blown away that it's so powerful with this brushless motor. The battery life is good and has a red light when charging, so it lets you know when it's charging. When it is fully charged, the light will turn off. Again, I want to show how portable this thing is by putting it in my pockets. And even with the vacuum attachment, it's not that big.